What's going on, guys? Dujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be working on Miles's E46 M3. So what we're going to be doing in the video today is we're actually going to be installing racing diffs variable clutch repair kit, and Miles actually went ahead and grabbed some PowerFlex diff bushings as well. So it's going to be like a whole rear end overhaul. So we already got the diff. Erwin got the diff out of the car yesterday, so we're getting everything lined up here.
Wasn't just Erwin. It was just Erwin. You did do it. So we're about to tear into Miles's E46 M3 diff. We got full rebuild kit, so we got brand new bearings. We got oil seals. We got the full clutch kit. We got the bushing and the free play shim delete.
Got the LSD oil.
Yeah, so you're gonna need about a liter of that. He chose to go with the OEM stuff. So we're starting off by tearing down the cover, 60 mil, correct?
Yep.
Before we get the last one off, we're going to bring it to the bench. Here. Let's cover off. Hold that.
There she goes. It came off really easy.
Yeah, this. No. First thing we're going to start is we're going to take these hubs off here. There's a little pin in there. We're going to take the ring gear out, and then we're also going to take the pinion out. Short one. Short one's on the right side.
There you go.
Long one's on the left side. That's right. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to mark these because there's shims on them, different thicknesses. So we're going to go right. Come right up. Bearing has to be pressed out. You could do it with a hammer, but this is the proper way of doing it. The pinion bearing.
Doing things the right way, guys.
For once.
For once.
Main pinion bearing. So we still have to cut that part of it out. 100 grit and a little bit of brake cleaner just to clean. A bit of assembly lube on it. So, let's see. Exactly. Yes.
Yes, Charan. Exactly.
We got the spider gears in. So guys, what we had to do is we found out the clutches had one tooth that was in a triangle shape, unlike the rest of them, the factory ones, which are all like rectangular. So he's aligning, he put all the triangle ones lined up together, and he's just shaving them down with the file just so they're straight.
Good.
Because they wouldn't go in the basket otherwise. As you can see, let's try to show them the one tooth that was... I can't even find it anymore because I filed it down. Oh, here it is. This one. So this one was a triangular, unlike the rest. As you can see, it's shiny. Can you see the shiny part? We filed it down.
It's really hard to see.
And now it fits like a glove.
You guys, you shouldn't be trying to force it through. It should just
No, it should slide right through.
Yeah.
Absolutely. See, it slides
Like that,
right through.
yeah. That's perfect.
Now we're gonna come. You're gonna want the grooved part downwards. So you're gonna want your steels splined in with the actual LSD hub, and then you're gonna want your clutches splined to this gear right here.
Yeah, center one.
So we got steel, and we'll throw a clutch in. Using the grease as a sort of paint, because normally to check your backlash, you put diff paint on and then you turn it and then you see what the pattern is like. If you need to add or remove a shim. So Riza's doing it with grease. He's just that good. We got the diff wrapped up. Rizosta here, just got a little bit of silicone on the case. It's drying up. Show him. This is the master. 60 years mechanic master. Soak the clutches. It's a good idea, but we're just gonna get to filling it. We know it takes 1.1 liters, so we're gonna get this whole liter in here.
All right, guys. So Erwin and Riza just finished assembling Miles's diff. As you guys saw, it's all put back together. So right now, what we're gonna do, it's kind of like the German 2J special. Whenever we do something with the diff, we always like to clean it up and paint it up. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna get going the PowerFlex diff bushings.
Got the PowerFlex bushings now. Looking at them, there's two sets for each side. One of them is labeled A and B, 4520A, 4520B. So basically what's going on is A is going to go in from the front of the casing bushing. They call the front over here. So I'm going to put it in right there. A is there. B goes in from the back. And then this with the co-shaped bushing over here, this insert goes in right here. Is clean the inside of the surface that it's going with either 600 or 1000 grit sandpaper or a little brake clean.
But it's Miles' car, so we're not gonna do that.
Yeah, it's his car, so we don't care about that. He's gonna be facing the back of the car, the B labeled bushing, A to the front. You're gonna be able to tell them apart by just seeing the inside. This one's like a cone.
Real. 24K?
We got the bushing in. It's supposed to be pressed in facing away from the diff, so coming from the outside of the car. It has a chamfered edge that's supposed to be on the outside too. If you show them, the hole for the bolt is, it's like widened, and that part's supposed to be facing the bottom.
Take it away, George.
Okay.
Drives really smooth. Feels better that you got gas in it now.